Hi there, it's Dr. Grant Pagdin. I get asked often about formal cleansing programs, and people think that maybe they need to clean out their system. Maybe there's stuff that's built up in their liver or built up in their colon, and they've been marketed some kind of a cleansing program. So really, to dispel that myth, there is no excess buildup of things in the lining of your digestion. Your digestion cleans itself out every day. Your liver doesn't build up a bunch of toxins. It cleans itself out 24/7. So you really don't need expensive products to try to detoxify or cleanse yourself. Instead, what I recommend is take a little period of fasting. It doesn't have to be too frequently, but you could set up a fast that lasts for maybe 24 to 36 hours. Now, it doesn't mean that we're going to do 0 calories and drink only water. I would suggest for that period of time something like 500 to 600 calories, a little bit of protein, a little bit of antioxidants. So maybe some consomme, some bone broth, some blueberries, some of these kinds of things, to keep it around 500 to 600 calories, but otherwise not be eating heavy meals during that period of fasting. For people that need to lose a little bit of weight, they could do a fast like that as frequently as once a week. For people that are just looking for health maintenance, a fast like that perhaps once a month. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Grant Pagdin, helping you to live longer better.